So one of the tech just informed me that one of the demo vehicle had a problem. So now they have not enough cars. So my time slot is going to be delayed, but they are great about it. He gone to the back and got me some snacks from, I think, their internal stash. And when I said, hey, do you have coffee? He's actually going to make me some coffee from the office. So what a nice guy. I think that is just so Rivian. So they're giving me the right vibe even before I see the car. So this is kind of cool. So stay tuned. Universal hands-free, stay alert. Slowing down. Let's see if you can see this part of it. So seeing the environment here, and it's inching now. Traffic lights ahead, take appropriate action. So I guess this road is mapped, so it knows that's a traffic light up there. But I believe I'm the one who has to stop it if I'm the only car on the road when there's a red light. Oh, maybe this dial. Yeah, this dial sets the speed. Now I know. Okay, this is great. So not this guy, but the dial on the stock. So the stock controls park, drive mode, and the speed setting, which makes sense. So let's see. Oh yeah. This is one of the reasons, although I guess you could get the other brand like an FSD. So that is good. There's a cop car coming. What's going on here? So back to 45 miles an hour. It's catching up to the outside now. As I was saying, as I drive to work more, Universal Hands-Free or Autonomous Plus is useful because it really makes the driving easier for me. This is not full self-driving as everybody will tell you, but still, it's a major improvement over the Kia or the Genesis system, where every 15 seconds you have to hold the wheels. So while it should still be monitoring my eyes, I assume, to know that I'm paying attention, I don't have to actively steer, hopefully for a long stretch of road. And you can see that it is seeing the outside. This is a highway-ish road, so it's doing really well. University F 0.7 miles. I don't think it knows to do the turning. I'm going to do a lane change. Is it going to do a lane change? Oops, why is it not doing a lane change? I'm not sure what's going on. Can I do the lane change? So now alright, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but that's because I don't know how it works. I'm just jumping in and trying to use it. Alright, so I need to take a left, so I'm going to cancel this and drive myself.